Hello viewers, I am Bilal Said from Comfort Arena YouTube channel. If you are making an RDLC report in Visual Studio and you are in the report wizard, now you want to select all the fields and drag to the any of these boxes. What is the method of this? So bring your mouse here below the fields and click your mouse, keep clicking and drag upward. In this way you can select all of the fields. If you want to select fields, alternate fields or between first, third like this, then you should press Ctrl on your keyboard. I am pressing Ctrl and keep pressing. Now I am selecting my required field, barcode, sell price, category and file name. In this way you can select your required selected fields. So now I want to select all the fields. I press the left mouse button and drag a box on all the fields, and now click the mouse and drag here in the values box and release the click. In this way you can bring all your required fields in the values box. Here you can select sum of all, deselect sum of all. In this way you can select one of the field and you may select your required function on it. In this way you can set your report in your report wizard of Microsoft Visual Studio. I hope you will like this video. If you like this video, press a like button and share it with your friends. And also subscribe our channel Comfort Arena. It is Bilal Said signing off. Allah Hafiz.